Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, good morning po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. Hello. Alam ko po na edit lang po. Aray, ikino ko. Hello, good morning po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. Naririnig niyo po ba ako? Or mahina po ba yung audio? Good day sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening kung nasaan man po kayo. Ngayon, hello, hello, hello. Hello, Nelson. Hello. So, wait lang ha, basahin ko lang muna. Hello, Aurea Santiago. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, yes, yes. Yan. Hello, Amaya Yetz. Hello, Mildred Alagas. Hello, Althea Cole Lanchola Povadora watching from Riyadh. Hello to you, Arsenio Aluta. Good morning. Hi, hi, hi. Marites Maghuyop, good morning gang. Hello, good morning Karya ng Kuyas pa. Starting to be cold na Alvin, yes. Actually, it's really cold today. No, I find it cold because yesterday was quite warm pa siya, init pa siya, and then I did not bring with me my jacket. So I'm just wearing a hoodie right now. So, mga kababayan, this is really my puffy face in the morning and alam niyo naman, fix sa hair para maganda tingnan. Opo. Hi, Gemma Adolfo. May buntag po sa imuha, ma'am. How are you? Naririnig niyo po ako, yes. Nandito po ako ngayon sa isang cafe, isang sikat na fast food chain, mga kababayan. Let me just show you. Ang ganda po niya. Yan. Ayun. Diba? But I'm actually here because I woke up very early and I needed some coffee and I bought some 2 buttered croissants. Hello, thank you kay sa inyong tanan. How are you everyone? Kamusta po kayong lahat? Magandang umaga po. No, sorry po. Hello Gretchen Odemar, how are you? Hello girly Flor Longog na kayo, okay? Hello, baby Tano. Hello sa inyong lahat. Kamusta mong Tano? Actually, guys, while I'm doing live, reading your comments here, and then I'm looking at the, oh my God! Doc Miguel Baker, grabe ka, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Doc Miguel Baker, sir. Good morning, Doc. Nasyak. Doc, nasyak ko, Doc, sa mong gibuhat. Dagang salamat kayo, Doc. Nakuyawan ko kinag-color mo ko ng screen. Pagtanaw ko, ano nangyari? Doc, maraming salamat po sa iyo, Dr. Miguel Baker, ang nag-iisang tagapangalaga ng, sabi nga ni Kitty, hello, Kuya Migs. Sabi nga niya, Sir Chito Samontina, Joey is also part of the Baker Slim Journey. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal, Doc Miguel. Grabe, Doc. Nasyak. Nakuan ko, Doc, na nasyak. Pinakalit, Doc, sa imuhang pa-morning greetings. Good morning, sir. And then, maraming salamat. It is my honor po that I'm able to do this. Ako na bahala sa pamilya. I'm really puffy face. Doc, puffy face yun ko sa morning. And then, you know, alam mo na, chubby. But when I was young, I'm very, skinny. Ito yung mukha ko before, guys. I'm just going to show you for the sake of showing you guys how I look like back in 2017. Okay? Kasi I think it is quite different yung mukha ko before and now. Look, this was me during my vlog time. Look. You see? You see? That's me before. So, I actually have intros, outros, ganyan. Very vlogger yung ano ko talaga before, no, mga kababayan. And then, all of a sudden, at some point, in that particular journey, Sir Miguel, thank you kayo, sir, ha? Maraming salamat, sir, na shock you ko, sir, sa color. Maraming salamat. Meron po akong dalawang croissant, sabi nga nila. Hello, Ma'am Gain Maglente. I used to thank you, Pichi Balsag. Yan, napako-cheat bone before. Kanya akong diri before ka nang tuan pa siya na. But a lot of people are also saying na it was also not nice. It looked like mura na kung ka ng something, I don't know. I have a very more toned down, parang nakikita ko pa yung jaw ko before, like ganyan pa siya. But now not anymore. I also think it comes with age. Grabe, Doc. Nasya ko sa early morning. So, I will be going to the Duterte Street, of course, today. Hello, Ma'am Bella Wang. Grabe, thank you kasi talaga. Huwag napansin nyo lang, chika lang to, ha. Napansin nyo ba, mga kababayan? Yung napansin ko talaga to, in the last 2 days, napansin ko talaga na ang mga media pala, gagawa-gawa yan sila ng kwento or storya. Tapos, if it turns out na yung storya pala is wrong, let's say for example, kinall out kasi hindi pala yung nangyari or ganito, ganyan. They will not even make a statement or retract, no? They will just deny. And they were even going to put the blame to the person na ginawa nila ng statement. Can you imagine? I was really puzzled, mga kababayan. I was really shocked na ganyan pala ang practice. Sa totoo lang. Hindi ko matanggap. Oo. Nashock talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. Sabi ko, ha? Grabe. Pwede ba yun? Nag-akusa ka na? Ang may sala pa, yung inakusahan mo pa? Biname mo pa? Nag-deny? Thank you po from Kuwait. Oderga. Maydad Camacho Donkey Val. Hanggang sa dulo ang laban. Hanggang sa dulo talaga ang laban. Totoo lang. Alam nyo, nung napansin ko lang, before, nung nag-start pa lang ako ng vlog, no? Before, I think way back in 2018, yung platform na yung tinawag ko pang estudyanteng lagan because I'm a student, ganito, ganyan. And then I changed it to Filipino Alvin because I want my brand to be really about Philippines. Tapos, I got tired. Context, anak, Reyna Chloe. The context is this. Oh. Ganito ang context. a media outlet published a story that the defense team of the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte withdrew their bid to disqualify the chief prosecutor because apparently they have misread what seemed to be the document that they have, that they based that particular story. It was a reclassified submission which can be perused, available sa ICC website. Now, when I looked at it, because when I read that news, that story, I was really boggled. I was like, huh? There was never really a motion or request submitted to withdraw the bid to disqualify the chief prosecutor. In fact, a few days back, mga kababayan, there was already a decision from the appeals chamber to the presidency designating a presiding judge to adjudicate or to render judgment, to preside doon sa request ng defense team to disqualify the chief prosecutor based doon sa mga allegations that they have outlined sa submission nila. So I was really shocked. What I did was really to clarify to Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, like, concerning the matter. Now, there seems to be a news circulating on different social media platform, ganito, ganyan. Sinabi ni Attorney Kaufman, it came from the negligence of the news outlet or the media outlet Inquirer.ph, which they will be correcting now. Sinabi pa niya gano'n. So I was awaiting na i-correct nila yung statement, ganito, ganyan. Alam nyo ba guys, anong ginawa? Hindi kinorek. Ang ginawa pa, nag-release ng another publication, or ng another story, na the Duterte camp denies the alleged withdrawal for the bid to disqualify the chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court. I was literally so fuming. Na-shock ko mga kababay. Mga kababay, na-shock ko to the point na nakakaon na lang ko kaya tungkol sa kagutom. Because, can you imagine? You committed a wrong and you did not even address the wrong. What you did is you put the burden of proving that what you wrote is wrong to the person whom you wrote the wrong things about. Para ka na lang nagsabi na, oh, ginawan ko ng storya si Alvin. Pero, may nagsabi, huy, hindi mo yung totoo. Ah, sige, gagawa na lang ako ng storya na sabihin ko, dininay ni Alvin ang storya ginawa namin, hindi totoo. So, parang ako pa ang mag-prove sa sarili sa gawang istorya about me. That is the logic behind there. And it's unfathomable, mga kababayan, honestly. I cannot believe it. But in today's day and age, there should have been an internal investigation sa mismong entity na ito. Sabihin, sino bang sumulat niyan? Saan ba kayo nanggaling ng source ng sinulat ng ganyan? You should be made accountable. You should write something. You should retract your statement. You should even issue an apology. You have destroyed the image of the defense counsel. And you have cast doubt to the entire defense team of PRRD with respect to his case before the ICC. That's what you did. And you are guilty. You have been caught red-handed. And all you did was wrote another story to allege a denial from the person whom you wrote the story for. Can you imagine, mga kababayan? I cannot believe that is this a practice of media? Because it seems that when that news outlet wrote that same story of the denial story, sinulat din ng ibang news outlet. Who are you? What interest are you putting forward here? Is this really for the interest of the Filipino people? Or is it the interest of few individuals? The elites and the oligarchs? Erica, ma'am, I will look it up later, ma'am. I'm live at the moment po. Pasensya na po, ma'am. I will look it up later. Mga kababayan, I received thousands really of messages. And I'm really sorry kung hindi ko kayo ma-replyan lahat. But I will look into the matter po. Can you imagine that? To me, as an ordinary individual, I think that there is a big effort to impugn the Duterte of something that they have not even done. To make, Erica, if you're going to continue writing this, I'm gonna block you because you already, multiple times, you already wrote something, the same thing. Sabi niya, Alvin, how true feeling may-ari ka ng dahig at gusto mo ikaw ang master sa lahat? Hindi po yan totoo. Kasi hindi mo ako taga-dahig, to be honest. In fact, sir, for the sake of responding to that statement, I am not from The Hague, but I make it to a point that I go there out from the kindness of my heart because I'm available and because a lot of people know, a lot of people actually await what news or whatever stories that we can, truthful and factual stories that we can share to the people supporting PRRD. For those individuals who are saying, I want to be the master of everything, show me and give me an example of paano po ako nagsabi na ako ang master sa lahat. Because that's not my attitude po. No, I think this comes from people who are insecure or who are very inggit towards me. It's not my fault if these individuals are not do not share the same mindset as I have, diba? Mindset as I have. So hindi ko alam saan po yan nagaling. Hello Robin, hello Senator Robin Padilla, sir. Magandang hapon po, sir. Kape-kape muna ako, sir. Kasi papunta pa ako sa dahig maya-maya. Hello po, Senator. Mabuhay po kayo, Sen. Buong puso po. At full ang support ko sa inyo. Hanggang sa dulo din, Sen. Mabuhay po kayo, Sen. At palagi po kayong nasa isip at puso ng mga Pilipino, lalo-lalo na dito sa The Hague o sa Netherlands. Suportado po namin si Senator Robin Padilla. So balik po tayo doon sa topic natin, no? Na na topic natin doon sa about sa ginagawa ngayon ng media to destroy or to put in bad light the Dutertes in general and those who are surrounding the Dutertes. Hello, Ate Inday in the Netherlands. Good morning. Thank you po. And the media out entities wrote the same thing. Kuya Morka. Opo. Sabi niya, bakit ko daw inaaway si spokesbroker? Kailan ko inaway? Pakishow nga ng evidence na inaway ko siya. Ganyan. You know what? Sabi ni VP Inday Sara, a statement without proof is paninira. Let us elevate the way how we engage to criticisms, the way how we engage to insinuating statements para hindi po ma-stress yung mga tao, no. Ganyan po yung attitude ko, mga kababayan. Okay, merong statement. to me, it is definitely false. There's no truth to it. Why would I spend an ounce of my energy to feel worried or to worry about these things? Ang ginagawa ko po, wala naman yung ebidensya. Ano ba, why would I react to that? There's no truth to it. So, wala akong problema. Sabi niya, no, we're not. Kasi inaaway mo si Matuto ka lumugar. Saan po ako lulugar, sir? Pakituro po kung saan. Left, right, front, back. Saan po? Kung gusto, mga kababayan, or mga few individuals, kung gusto niyo po doon kay sino ang sinusuportahan ninyo, doon po kayo. But actually, I'm very much grateful na pumunta ka pa pala dito sa live ko para mag-comment. Opo. Wala man po kung pakialam, sir, kung ano yung ganap mo sa buhay. Doon ka na lang, sir. Huwag na dito. Ulit-ulit na lang man yung mga statement na ganyan. Wala na bang bago? Oo. Kay more cockroaches out swallow 4 times na kung ana siya. Dankjewel. Dankjewel, Mimi. Fine na dak feather, ha? Kom nog meer. So, doon po sa look potential yun. So, doon po sa ginagawa ng media, when it comes to mga Dutertes, if it's going to put the Dutertes in bad light, publish yan. Publish yan. Sige, publish dito, publish doon, ganyan. Kung ano-anong anong mga anggulo, mga naratibong sinusulat, ganyan. Pero, pag may isang tao, it only takes one person to notice. Hello, Ate Janessa Abaw. It only takes one person to notice and to call out what seemed to be a blunt falsity. Sabihin mo, hindi yan totoo, hindi yan tama. Bawiin mo yan. Anong gagawin ng media? Gagawa na naman ng other story. Dininay ng mga Duterte ang ganito, ganyan. So, kasi ganito, ganyan. Can you imagine? Is this the kind of reality we are living in right now? Is this the kind of professionalism we are making these media outlets not accountable or accountable for? Opo. Is this the new normal in today's age and time? Opo. So wala po akong tawag dyan. Wala po akong magets. Hindi ko magets talaga. Totoo lang. You make a wrong, but you cannot make that wrong by creating another wrong. It doesn't follow logic, mga kababayan. You have one wrong, and in order to negate that wrong, you make it right. You wrote something false, so you need to write something countering that false and making sure that your brand of a media outlet is truthful, factual, at most importantly, representative of reality. Yan pang totoo, mga kababayan. Kaya tayo, mga Pilipino, dapat tayo ay maging mapagmasid. Dapat tayo ay maging critical. Dapat tayo ay hindi matakot mag-raise ng question. Dapat tayo ay talagang, alam mo yun, yung palaban. Opo, bongga kasi na ako. Doc Miguel Baker, thank you so much, Doc Miguel Baker, ha. Mabuhay ka, sir. Have a great day, sir, and work well. And I look forward to seeing or meeting you in the near future. And laban lang tayo, sir, hanggang sa dulo. Maraming salamat, sir, sa pa-shocking na ano mo. Ako, can you imagine? No, patuloy ko lang yung train of thought ko kasi may naisip ako. Can you imagine, guys? I am in my adolescent stage. I'm trying to decide which trajectory or which industry I want to grow. So that means I need to bank on what I'm going to study. Let's say, for example, somebody is interested in journalism. So they're going to look at different best practices of media outlets within the Philippine context and also outside the Philippine context. So, if that's going to be the case, mga kababayan, that means that when these young ones look into the supposedly best practices of media outlets, then they're going to look at the pattern because, you know, young individuals right now, they're very intelligent. They're so discerning. Hello, Menchi. Yes. Hindi kaaway. Correct. Yan ang totoo. So, the actions of these media outlets, actually, they are important. Bakit po? 9:00 na po ngayon. Importante po siya ngayon. Importante po siya because it will serve as a benchmark of what is supposed to be the standard of action or the standard of which journalists should show to the whole world. Yan po totoo. Yan naman talaga tayo eh. Kaya ang nangyayari sa ating bayan ay talagang nahihirapan tayo kasi even owning the mistake that we have committed, hindi magawa. Kasi lahat sobrang ang gagaling. Dapat lahat tama. Hindi naman ganun yung buhay, guys. Hindi naman ganyan ang buhay, mga kababayan. Pag mali ka, aminin mo nagkamali ka, and that's about it. And that will be a learning opportunity for you. That you made something, you made a mistake, you own it up, and then you move on. That's it. That's how life should be lived. Hindi yung gumawa ka na ng mistake para kuno ma-address mo na malinis ka talaga, gagawa ka pa ng another mistake. Thank you, Nika. Diba? Sabi ni Marisa Delphine, expected that there will be negativity publicity and you would no longer know if the issues are true. Legit and exactly. As with some of those who claim to be Duterte supporters will unite, put aside negativity. True, ma'am. Of course, nandyan na po tayo, ma'am. Kaya nga di ba, we call out the wrong kasi nga nakita natin na mali talaga. And also, ma'am, if we see that something is wrong, we don't need nobody. para tulungan pa tayo kung para ma-call out yung wrong. Hindi, kung alam mo na talaga na mali yan, ikaw na mismo ang magsabi na mali yan. You don't need nobody else. Tayo po mismo, we have our own individual responsibility. As a Filipino, yun po ang totoo. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yan ang punto ko mga kababayan. Bakit pa ulit-ulit yun sa ano? Bakit niyo ba kami pinag-aaway ni Spokes? Wala nga akong problema kay Spokes. Sinabi ko na yan sa kanya. It's so tiring the negativity of these really shallow-minded people. Wala akong problema kay Spokes. Wala akong pakialam sa mga tao. Actually, totoo lang. Ang focus ko po ay si PRRD at si PRRD lang po. Wala pa akong pakialam sa mga individual na importante sa inyo or whatnot. Kasi dito po sa Europe, no, explain ko lang sa inyo, ang mentality po dito, pag meron po kayong objective, doon lang po kayo sa objective ninyo. Wala po akong problema kay Spokes. Bakit niyo po gustong ipag-away kaming dalawa? Walang akong problema sa kanya. Sinabi ko na nga sa kanya na bakit ba kami palagi nag-away ganito, ganyan. Alam, hindi ko din mag-gets bakit ang dami-daming, alam mo yun, kada lihok ko, kada ganito, ganyan, tinitingnan or whatnot, na wala man akong intensyon na awayan si Spokes or ganito, ganyan. Wala akong pakialam po sa inyong whether or not gusto ninyo ako or hindi. Wala po, okay na po sa akin, ma'am. Mag-unfollow, ma'am, sir, mag-unfollow kayo, i-block niyo ako, fine. Okay lang po talaga sa akin. Totoo lang. Kung mag-support kayo sa akin, maraming salamat po. Kung ayaw niya po mag-support sa akin, also that's fine. Hindi po ako ang taong pinipilit ko yung sarili ko sa mga iba. Totoo. Very toxic talaga ang mga taong ganyan. Ayoko, wala nga akong problema. Ano pa ba? Hello, Josel Felizardo. Thank you, gang. Exactly. Inaano ko talaga, ini-skip ko na talaga. Yun lang. Correct. Ay, nako. At saka guys, totoo lang, kahit gaano po kayo, kahit ano po estado nyo sa buhay, ito po talaga si Alvin. Totoo lang. Hindi pa ako nagsiselos kahit ano pa yung naabot nyo sa buhay ko. Wala po akong pakialam. Totoo lang. It doesn't matter on what you are, who you are, o sino ka. I treat everyone the same. Honestly. How I am here online is how I am in person. Hindi pa ako nag-change or nag-morph into being para people will like me. Wala pa akong ganoon. Honestly, wala po akong... Hindi po yan sa akin nag-i-exist. Totoo. My point of view is very, very simple. If you like me, fine. If you don't like me, fine as well. Oo. Jenny Kakayuran, hello, good morning, watching from our room, watching from Qatar. Hello po. Party. Mga nagluluto dito ng palaya. Tignan mo, po siya, Kibuloy, may kasalanan sa Amerika. If you are going to extradite Pastor Apollo Kibuloy to America, you are basically, I think this is going to be the norm right now. We can no longer contain, or we can no longer address internal matters. We always refer to international body or whatnot. That is how weak we are as a country. In as far as other countries are concerned, they look at the Philippines that we cannot handle our internal matters or matters of internal nature. Wala talaga. Lahat, ano nyo na lahat. Pati flood control project, i-ask nyo na sa ICC. Or perhaps i-ask nyo sa International Court of Justice. Or i-ask nyo sa United Nations. Lahat ng problema sa Pilipinas, let's deflect it to the entire international community to look into the matter, and for the international community to see us as not a sovereign state but a colony of the entire country surrounding the Philippines. Yan na lang. Ulit-ulit naman yan. It's becoming the norm right now. Look at what you have done to PRRD. Look at what you have done. For myself, ay, hindi ko na mag-gets. Alam mo, malaki respeto natin kay Atty. But sabi ni Karina Bidio, wala, yung mga tao po, they are entitled to their own opinion, ma'am. If people see it that way, fine. But you cannot, again, for the life of me, not make into account the actions of other individuals. To me, I am my own person. Opo. Wala. And also, please let us refrain from name callings, toxicity, and whatnot. Let us keep the page a healthy sphere for positive discourse. Let us talk. But let's refrain from name calling, mga whatsoever, mga pseudonames, like highly improper naming of people. Ganito. Let us be more civil. Let us elevate the manner that we are talking to individuals so that people will also look at the way how we are saying things with greater value and emphasis. Huwag na lang yung mga putyo-putyo na lang. Alam mo yun, we can talk to this level with our really close friends, but in the sphere like this, let us become better. Opo, if it's okay for you. I actually don't support the name calling or whatnot. That is already a form of bullying kasi, mga kababayan. No, it is not already. It is a form of bullying. So let us become civil. Let us become civilized individual. Let us elevate the manner that we are talking, the manner that we are putting our dissent or our feedback, whether we criticize the individual or positively enforce their actions with a commendation. But let us be better. Tingnan mo yung bago lang ako ng ano. Ay sabi si Jessica Gadon, sabi niya, just, if you exude negativity, just leave the space. It's fine. Oo. Doon na lang kayo sa ano. Doon na lang kayo sa... Doon na lang kayo sa inyong ano. Sa inyong space. Because the toxicity, I cannot deal with the toxicity. Honestly, I cannot. Okay. Oh. Ano daw? Bakit? Ano daw? Look how nice the cafe, guys. It's really nice, the cafe. Have a great day, Fanadak. Louie. Hello. So this is the mall. Look how nice the mall is. Diba? Meron siyang mga drama. May drama siyang ganap. Look how nice. Oh, tingnan mo. Super nice. Oh. Look at the water element. Diba? Oh, diba? Correct. Look, bagels and beans, they're already open. Sla. Di pa din sila nag-open because it's a Monday. Normally on a Monday, yung mga, hello, good morning. Normally on Monday, they have, it takes a long time for the shops to open. Around 12 na mag-open, guys. So let us refrain from all the negativity. You know, Dutch people are one of the, the biggest consumer of coffee. Yan, Sissy Boy. Yes. We have here. Morca. Dutch homemade jewelries. Which they have on sale. Ooh, diamonds are forever. Yo-yo, they also have yo-yo here. It's already, let me double check. We have La Visa. It's already 9:23. Gang, Di ko na ma-absan tong kuan ba. Later na pagkatan, 11:12. Okay. CA, We have Ray-Ban. Yes, we have High, Utrecht. We have H&M. Lakas. Ayun. 20% off palang only, oh. Hankemuller. We have, it's like the Victoria's Secret. Parang Victoria's Secret to sila, gang. Hello. We have Rituals also here. We have a coffee shop over here. We have Dunkin' Donuts there. I don't know. Look, We have a lot of shoes here. Sit down. Itong shop, sarado pa din siya. Kasi normally, alas 12 kasi sila mag-open dito, gang. Alas 12 talaga sila mag-open. We have here Douglas, Ace and Tate, Coco and Sabas. Kanin Douglas, dito yung mga perfume na mga ano gang ba? Ano mo yung for sale, mga ganon. And then there's the JD Sports Tatanaw. And then on top are offices, diba? Look, nanggi-kuha na sa mga office, oh. Nanggi-ano na sila. And then we have here the architectural marvel of the Dutch engineers. Look at that, mga kababayan. The light through the ceiling, and then we are heading towards the station. Ayun, ang busy-busy ng mga tao. Merong KFC dyan, merong lots of restaurants. Vapiano, Wagamama, Five Guys. There's Albertine right there, and there's a gym. And we are on our way to the Central Station inside. Buang yung katina, oy. Hello. Kung saan pa nang inyong mga comment, guys? That's very bad. Kaya mga comment ninyo na ano, no? Let's refrain from doing that. Look at the... Yes. Really nice. Look. Here. Ayun. Coco Sabas. Bakverk. If you... Starbucks also here. But, I was in a much better location sa Starbucks kasi that's inside the mall. 4 minutes there. So far. Is this the one? Sorry. Ayun.